Hello viewers, we'll be going over UGAZ and DGAZ. In this video, we'll be using the day-by-day probability model as our support and resistance levels, and these models are based on past trends that are similar to the current trend, but not identical, so do keep that in mind. So let's start off with the technical analysis. For UGAZ on the 1 hour chart, we're currently up 1.9%, and we have reached positive MACD, and if we expand that further onto the 4 hour chart, we have not reached positive MACD. However, we do see a convergence still in a negative MACD, and we may also see a positive sign that we see the 9 moving average converge onto the 18 moving average, this purple line. And if we expand that further onto the daily chart, we start to see there's slight reversal in play, very small one to say. We do see a convergence on the daily MACD. So now let's examine the support and resistance gauges. So at the moment, if we progress to the 7th day, we have a 33% chance for UGAZ to climb higher between 0 to 44%, and we also have, on the extreme case, a 33% chance for UGAZ to climb higher between 44% to 87%. And to the downside, we have a 33% chance for UGAZ to fall between 0 to negative 44%. So we'll just examine to the upside of 44%, and if we do manage to climb higher, say around 44%, that price level is roughly around the price of, I would say, $19.22. So that at that range, we did see previous resistance level, and do expect that to be our next resistance if we do manage to reverse higher. And as for support, if we do manage to average down lower, I do see, again, if we do move down lower, 44% to the downside, it is around a price of, if we were to expand out further, maybe expand out once more, 44% to the downside, it is around a price of, say, if we get it to there, say $7.60. So $7.60 is possibly a support level if we do manage to average down lower for UGAZ. So now let's examine DGAZ. On the technical analysis, DGAZ is currently down roughly around 1.2%, and on the 1 hour MACD, we have reached to negative MACD. There is so slight chance we may reach positive sometime throughout today, and for the 4 hour chart, we start to see a divergence and may also pose to the downside and hit to negative MACD. And as for the daily chart, for DGAZ, we do not see a divergence in play. It is still in the healthy side to the upside, or I do expect sideways price action to continue on. But let's examine the support and resistance gauges for DGAZ. So on here, there's not much extreme cases to the upside or downside. Compare that to UGAZ. So for here, we have as we progress to the 7th day, we have a 60% chance for DGAZ to climb higher between 0 to 20%. And the extreme case here, 10% chance for DGAZ to climb higher between 20% to 41%. To the downside, we have a 10% chance for DGAZ to fall between 0 to negative 20%. And further extreme case to downside, 20% chance for DGAZ to fall between negative 22% to negative 41%. So let's just mark the ranges of up 20% and down 20%. So for DGAZ, if it were to climb higher, up 20%, that is around a price level of, say, $367. And at that range, we see previous resistance level around that range as well, as noted back in February 28th. So we have that as our resistance. Again, that price is at $363. And to the downside, if we were to move down, say 20% to the downside to hit possible support level, that price level is roughly around, let's say, 22%, and that price level is around $234.93, and we do see slight support level around that range as well, even dated back as far as February 19th, and slight support back in March 11th, as well as in April 8th. So again, in this video, we went over UGAZ and DGAZ, and the models are now available in the link below, so do check it out. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.